Welcome to Sterling Coated Rollstock, your go-to partner for custom-coated packaging solutions that perform beautifully in the real world. Unlike traditional wax-coated packaging, Sterling products can be easily recycled where available.
From glossy, colorful displays to protective coatings for meat and produce packaging, Sterling offers specialized coatings tailored to your specific needs. Our solutions are designed to handle it all: oil, grease, moisture, high temperatures, you name it.
Are your baked goods sticking to the packaging after baking? Not anymore. Sterling's specialized bake release coating ensures that baked goods release effortlessly from trays and molds. Or maybe you're looking to protect sensitive products? Our Anti-Scuff and Rust Shield coatings offer premium protection for industrial packaging. Is moisture affecting the integrity of your packaging? Our patented Green Shield coating creates a moisture barrier that is specifically designed to tackle the challenges of demanding environments.
Sterling really does have something for everyone, and we continue to work on finding new solutions every day. From design to delivery, Sterling Coated Rollstock is committed to bringing you packaging solutions that set your business apart. How can we help you?
Learn more at sterlingcoatedrs.com.